I was looking to buy a SS brewtech e-kettle along with other considerations of blichmann and spike. I couldn't find very many reviews to tell me how their e-kettles work or how well they worked. So I went ahead and took a chance and ordered it because considered with spike or compared with spike and blichmann, this was relatively cheap for all that I got for it. So all I wanted was a boiled kettle. I didn't really care for anything else. And to that effect, I got the kettle right there. It's a 20-gallon. It came with that rubber pad to set the thing on top. I like that nice touch. I wasn't expecting that, but I like the fact that it was there. Makes it that much easier to not get the ground cold or the coldness from the ground or like the extra power that it takes to run it against the cold ground. I live in Colorado, so typically it gets really cold in winter, and that actually should help me quite a bit. I don't know, but we'll see. Here's the lid. Here's the coil itself, the trub blocker, whatever it's called, the standard NPTs, and then the 240. I actually spent money to install a 240 in my garage, so my budget shrunk because of that. And I got this extension cord for that, and then an additional NPT valve for my whirlpool. And it also came with this nice sleeve, so you could use it in winter, so there's not too much of a heat loss, which is again amazing. All of this set me back about $568, I think, versus what I would have spent with Spike would be $700 something, and with Blichmann was $688. So I wanted to invest in the Spike's condenser, steam condenser. I wanted to save some money for that. If I spent $700 or $688, and then I bought a steam condenser, that'll be $1,000 e-kettle. I might as well go drink beer for a year without doing anything. So I just wanted to try and be as economical as possible. Again, I like SS brewtech because of their nice tolerances and additional touches like that rubber pad over there, a sleeve over here that goes into thinking of what is needed to make this very efficient process, right? So I'm happy with the what I received here. I don't know in practice how it's going to turn out. I hope, given that all I'm doing is boiling and whirlpooling, shouldn't be a problem, but I'll find out and I'll post a review of that again. But for now, for those of you that are using this, please let me know what your experience has been. Those of you that considered both or used both Blichmann, Spike, and this, if you compared them, let me know what you guys think. Thank you.